Welcome back to DigiDollar. Today, we're diving into a simple method that could totally transform your finances. Now, let me ask you this. Do you want to earn 4 figures a week? Imagine having some extra cash to spend on yourself, to enjoy life, without feeling like you're constantly just working to pay bills. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, if that sounds good, then stick around because I'm about to show you how this can be possible. So, what's the secret here? I'm here to tell you that the struggle of living paycheck to paycheck can actually end today. With just 7 minutes a day and a simple 3-click method, you can start earning money right from your couch. That's right, you don't need any prior experience in making money online, and there's no complicated tech involved. Yes, it really is that easy.
I've been using the 7 minutes daily method for a few months now, and the steady income has truly impressed me. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to boost their finances.
7 minutes daily came to my rescue. It's simple, and it has really changed my financial situation for the better.
I've tried tons of online money-making methods, but 7 minutes daily is the only one that actually delivered real results. I'm beyond satisfied.
At first, I was skeptical about 7 minutes daily. But now, I'm making a steady income right from home. It's incredible.
These are just a few examples of people who took that first step and are now seeing real results. They're earning money and improving their lives, and it all started with those 7 minutes a day. Alright, so now you might be wondering, how does this actually work? Let me break it down for you. The 7 minutes daily method focuses on easy tasks that pretty much anyone can do. All you need is a device with internet access, a few minutes to spare, and a simple 3-step process to follow. Spend just a few minutes daily and follow 3 clicks, and that's it. No long hours or specialized skills are required. The key is consistency. By committing to these few minutes each day, you're building up a reliable income stream with minimal time and effort. Plus, you can do it on your schedule, at home, or anywhere with an internet connection. So, are you ready to make a change? If you're serious about boosting your income, it's time to take that first step. Click the link in the description to learn more about getting started with 7 minutes daily. Imagine what this simple daily habit could do for your finances and for your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DigiDollar for more tips on making, saving, and growing your money. Remember, every minute counts, so let's make each one work for you.